Ayushi Sayal is in Goa and she filed this report just about 20 minutes ago.
Just a little while from now, we'll bring in the new year, and there's absolutely no better way to do so than be a part of an exotic location brimming with infectious energy. Goa, in all its glory, is absolutely prepared to say goodbye to 2013 and welcome the fabulous 2014.
Like heaven. Every year my friend says come to Goa for New Year. I always refuse. So now I'm regretting why I refused in the past, but I'm not going to regret. I'm going to enjoy to the fullest today.
So we have with us the owner of one of the most popular restaurants at Candlein in Goa, and let's hear what he has to say about Goa at this time of the year. So sir, as we all know, Goa is buzzing with energy, and this is the time of the year when everybody wants to be at this place. Tell us what Goa is like in December.
This is the best time of the year because it's cool, and I think you all are suffering with winter. So when you want to celebrate, you come to Goa. The day is nice and warm and the weather is pleasant. There will be a lot of fireworks, and the full world is over here, especially India, the metropolitan cities, you know, the Bollywood, all the film stars, they're all in Goa. They're partying with all festivals.
I'm looking forward to spending New Year's with all my mates I've met in Goa.
How special do you think is this place?
It's fantastic.
What is so different about Goa, and why did you choose to be here?
It's my friends that I've met over the years.
So this is the one place that you always
This is the place that I always come back to.
Seconds from now, we'll enter into 2014, and well, what can I say? Goa is as beautiful as it can get. Absolutely happy people, high spirits. What more can one ask for? In Goa, Ayushi Sayal wishing each one of you a very happy New Year.